Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how you can navigate the home page to find specific product. So to navigate the home page to find specific product, you have to make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So first thing what you need to do is go ahead and log into your account. When you're logged in, then click on the when you're logged into your account, that's going to take you to the home page. So from the home page, what you have to do is, in order to navigate, you need to go ahead and select the category first of all, whether it's for men, women, kids, accessories, whatever. Go ahead and select that, and when you've selected the category, then you could go ahead and use the search bar tool feature in order to find the specific product. So when you've actually done this, you can see this is how it's gonna list out the category. And right on top you have this search bar tool. You could go ahead and look for the item that you wish to find. So I'm gonna go with this specific item. Let's see that I'm gonna go with this one, and when you locate the item, then you can see all of these information, all that. In this way you could go ahead and navigate to the home page to find specific products in your JD Sports account. And that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.